Hey, what's up YouTube? Today's video we're going to do something a little bit different. This week I don't have a project lined up. I'm actually planning on heading out to Colorado for a little bit of a guy's trip here toward the end of the week, so things have been crazy. But in the interim, I wanted to walk you through a couple projects that I did around our house that I kind of wanted to find an excuse to show off, and additionally get your feedback on. So today's video, like I said, a little different, but I need you to do me two favors. One, comment down below what your favorite project so far is, and then two, what you'd like to see next. I'm going to drop three kind of house projects that I'm going to be tackling here in the near future. So let me know down below which one you think I ought to do next. And then finally, stay tuned guys. Here in about 3 weeks, I am going up to the East Coast, and I have got a bathroom I'm going to be completely down to the studs renovating. I'm going to do a full series on that, but then additionally, to make it even more challenging, I've got 4 days to complete that project. So without any further ado, again, comment down below your favorite project so far, the project you'd like me to do next, and then like, subscribe, follow, all the above, and stay tuned for that video in September. So when we first bought our house, it looked drastically different than it does now. The floors were all orangey hardwood, real small, like 2-inch baseboard. So a lot has changed, and so I'm going to be dropping little nuggets here and there of the different pictures and videos of what the house looked like before. But the first thing I wanted to show off here is our fireplace surround. So before, this had a great big standing mantle. It was huge. It stuck out from the wall like feet. It was truly obnoxious. So ended up ripping out all the tile that was around the fireplace initially, and the great big mantle tiled from the ceiling up to the wall. Flush mounted the TV. I made this mantle here, and that is on a cleat system mounted to the wall, flush with the tile, which makes it pretty cool if you ask me. So that would be project number 1 and 2. So we'll do number 1 is the tile surround, if that's going to be your favorite, and number 2 is going to be the flush mounted mantle. Next thing would be the hardwood floors. So I'll put some videos. Well, we'll call project number 3 the floors and the baseboards. So used to have real small 2-inch baseboard, old orangey hardwood floors, but they have been completely redone. New baseboards installed all throughout. As you can tell, it's got a pretty cool matte kind of finish on it. And then again, you can just see the baseboard throughout. So project number 3 would be the floors and the baseboards. We'll call this project number 4, the stairs and the balusters. A little disclaimer that this is not completely finished. You see I still got a little bit of drywall touch up to do there. A couple of these boards got nicked in the corners, so we got a little bit of touch up to do here and there. But project number 4 would be the handrail and the balusters. Just used to have a ball on here, cut that off, refastened the newel posts in, new balusters, up the stairs. So that's project number 4. Project number 5, you'll have to pardon the mess, as we obviously live here, but project number 5 is going to be our entire kitchen. So all the cabinets used to be just regular oak colored cabinets. Those have all been painted. I added the crown molding across the top of all the cabinets, including above the fridge here. And then we got new Samsung black stainless appliances, put some under cabinet lighting in, and then that is a marble looking backsplash. Did a huge, I believe that's a 32-inch deep basin sink. It's just one piece, there's no middle divider. So that would be project number 5, is the kitchen renovation. Project number 6, and I apologize for the lighting, but this closet used to have just a single coat rack bar kind of in the middle, but we added this built-in shelf looking system with a few of these little fabric crates and then a single bar down below for jackets. So number 6 will be the closet system. Project 7, again, you have to pardon the mess. Project 7 will be this bathroom renovation. So completely tore out the shower, new curbless shower, new floor tile, new vanity. And we'll do project 7.1, but we took out the old medicine cabinet and put a shelf there. I still need to put center shelf there, but that'll be project 7.1. But project 7 will be the bathroom here. And you're gonna have to forgive me here because my footage sucks. Didn't do a great job with that. But project number 8 here is going to be this half of the basement renovation. So this was just your typical block. I don't have a perfect before picture or video, but here's a picture of kind of where it started, and then kind of a little video in between, and then where it's at now. Last thing we have to do here is get some furniture down there, but this room is awesome. If you like this room or you want more information on it, comment it down below. If this ends up being the favorite project, I'll do a deep dive video on everything I did in the basement and how it turned out. Again, as always, I appreciate you watching. A like, subscribe would go a long way, and don't forget to comment what your favorite project was. Thank you.